What is that? ATF. Very simple, sir. Audit your time. Okay. Morning to evening. Which activities you are doing? Whenever you have the time, maybe weekly once, or maybe 2 days once, or 3 days once. Whenever you have the time, better to audit in what way you are spending your time. That is the most important. That is what auditing, which is a very, very important, man. Because if you don't know about your time leaks, time leakage, you can't repair. Suppose there is a pipeline water leakage is there. First, you require to identify where is the leakage is going to be happen. Then you can do the repair. But if you don't know where the leakage is going to be happen, then how you can do the repair. That's why first step is you require to identify your time leakages. Okay, where you are not utilizing your time properly. That thing must be required. Remember that. Okay, like that. So the first thing is that is what audit. Okay, morning at 5 o'clock I wake up. 5 to 6 I did this one. 6 to 7 I did this one. 7 to 9 I did this one. 9 to okay I did this one. Like that time should be continued. So starts from coming from the bed until going to the bed. In what way you are spending the time? Okay, one day, tomorrow audit, day after tomorrow audit one for 1 week, audit for 1 month. In these activities, am I doing any activity which is completely waste? Just the namesake I'm doing. I'm not feeling happy to do that. I'm not getting anything for that. I'm not getting anything for that, anything from that. Okay, such a type of complete useless activities, you require to use a shift delete, permanent delete from your daily routine. Definitely, you are going to do such type of activities. Correct, right? Respond, friends. Definitely,
Yes, sir.
there are some activities are there. There are
Yes,
some
yes.
activities are there where you are not getting any money. At the same time, you are not getting happiness. You are not getting happiness. Your energy is going to be drained like anything because of doing that activity. Such a type of waste, useless activities, compulsory, you require to remove permanently from your daily routine. If you remove at least one activity, which is going to take 5 minutes per day, then automatically per month, 150 minutes, okay, 2.5 hour time you are going to get per month. If you remove at least 1 5 minutes activity per day. Okay, well,